What's up, sneaker fam? A2K back with another video, and today I got another unboxing for you guys. Seems like I'm only picking things up and not showing you in full detail. I'm only doing unboxings lately, but I will definitely get back to the full detail and on-feet videos. I saw these on Adidas.com, or actually Adidas.nl. They were the last pair of my size, actually the last pair in this version, and I'm really curious how they look in reality. Pretty big box. They get a shoe box. It's just like half the size of the box. Receipts. There it is. The Adidas ZX Flux. In a run white dark colorway. Not sure what it says. There we have them. I think these are called the Oceans. They look pretty nice in reality. I was not sure what to think of the pictures on the internet, online. Some shoes always look different on the internet. Got a pair of extra laces with it. But I like it. And I'm very curious if these are even more comfortable than the Nike Roshiran. But I'll find out soon enough. But yeah, I like them. They look good. Even better than on pictures on the internet, in my opinion. I thank you all for checking out this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because there's a lot more videos to come. A lot more also full detail on feet, which I haven't uploaded for like a month, but I will definitely get back to that. For now, I'm out. Peace.